Hey everyone, today I will show you how to connect a Namecheap domain on Vercel. So I am going to connect Namecheap domain on this project. So I am going to click on setting, here on domains, add domain. Here I have to give the domain name. Let's go to Namecheap and I am going to add this one. Go to manage and this is the domain name. Let's copy this and paste it here. If you want, you can redirect to the www subdomain. They recommended it, so I am going to select this one. Now click on add domain and click on save, and we have to add those DNS records on Namecheap. So let's go back to Namecheap, here on advanced DNS, and now click on add new record, and it will be a record, here a record, and the name will be this one, and the value will be this one. Click here, and now we have another one. It is CNAME. Add new record, CNAME record. This is the host and this is the target. Now click here. Now go back here. I have added my record and here you can see it's configured correctly. It might show some error, but it will be fixed automatically, so don't worry. Click on close and here it connected successfully. So let's check it, project, and here you can see First Learn English, and this is my domain. Here you can see my project on this domain. Let's revisit. Here it's connected successfully. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.